Hello, my name is prem16401943. I am the student of Nami College and my email ID is 16401943. No, 16401943. Firstly, here this is my at the top of the layer. It is a code layer, and in the code layer I have included the three router. Similarly, at the distribution layer I have included the two multi-layer switch, and beside and at the left side there is the server section. That at the top there is DHCP server, mm, the file server, application server. And application server there is the ERP based, and on the specialist server there is the CRM based. also also at the last there is the email server, and all the server consists in the VLAN 10, and server all the server consists the network address that the 172.16.1.243. And similarly at the access layer I have included the 9 VLAN. That first VLAN it represents that VLAN 10, and it's for the reception. Similarly for the second VLAN, that the 20 VLAN, it's for the cost, it's for the finance. Third one is for the sales, and it represents the VLAN 30. Similarly for the fourth VLAN, it consists the division manager where it seated on the VLAN 40. And the fifth one is the VLAN 50. VLAN 50, it consists for the working spaces, meeting room, kitchen room. I have included that for the VLAN 50, where kitchen room, you have seen that there is working spaces, meeting room, kitchen room, that all the user are access the internet through the Wi-Fi access. And also I have included at the meeting room that you have seen there is the word home VIP. And also the sixth one is the for the research and the development, and it consists of VLAN 50 60. Similarly for the first this for the first 6 VLAN, it consists on the block A, that it on block A. Similarly in the right side there is the I think 4 VLAN, that the 4 VLAN, where the first VLAN represents the VLAN 10. Similarly VLAN 10, for it is the for the reception section. And VLAN 70, it is for the managing director, where is only one PC included, that the for the managing director there is only one managing director according given to our criteria. And also for the VLAN 50, there is also the similarly at base, that in the block A for reception, meeting room. And also I have also included the home VIP devices. And for also the VLAN 80, it is for the human resources, and it consists on VLAN 80. Similarly on the last one, it is for the IT and network specialist, on it consists on VLAN 90. Similarly I have included that for the each sections of the VLAN, at the top there is the division manager for each. There is the division manager, and also for the finance there is a division manager, and also the sales division manager. For there's you have seen that there is division manager for each and every VLAN. I have included at the top of the division. And also you have seen that the managing director. And for also you have seen that for the human resources there is a division manager. And for the last one, for the VLAN 90, for the IT networks there is also the division manager. Now I have to mention that VLAN 10 consists the 172.16.1.208 network. And similarly finance department consists the network 172.16.1.1.28. and for the sales 172.16.1.1.0. and customer service consists 172.16.0.0. and for the working spaces, it consists the network 172.16.1.64. and for the research and development 172.16.1.192. and for the managing director, it consists the network for 172.16.1.248. and for the human resources, it consists the network for 172.16.1.224. and last one, it consists 172.16.1.1.60. 1.60. Now I have to I have to, and at the top of the layer, I have include the mm, for the net section. For that, the network addresses is for 158.199.57.89. It is for the ISP connected. Now, and at the backend side of my design, you have seen that there is the this is for the corporate office, and this is for the, I think that's for the main office. Now you have seen that it includes two Wi-Fi router access for block A and block B, and at the core layer I have included 1 2 3 4 5 6 network addresses for respecting the static routing. And now I have to give the condition for checking the access ACL according to our given condition. Now I have to ping that every division manager should be access they should be contact with the division manager. Now I have to firstly ping from VLAN 10 to managing director VLAN 70. Now firstly I have to go in simulation mode. Let's start. Firstly I have to ping from the VLAN 10 to VLAN 50 division. Look, you have seen that the packet forwarding from VLAN 10 to look, it for the respective part, because I have mentioned the HSRP and providing the respective for VLAN for respective part to move from one section to another section. Look, we have seen that the thing has been successfully, look, result, you have seen that successfully will be displayed. Now for the ACL second, that the every VLAN can be access the printer which has been put in the reception area. Now I have to ping from IT network specialist to ping for printer. Now let's start. Look, packet has been moved. I think, look, packet has been reached the destination. Now it moved from printer to the towards the respective IT network specialist department. Now you see the result that the ping is successfully, and the result shows that the ping is successful. Similarly, if I have ping from any VLAN to the other PC except printer, then the ping will not be successful. Let's start ping from VLAN once more again from VLAN 90 to VLAN 10 for the reception PC, and the ping would not be successful because it applies the ACL that the VLAN 10 PC would not be ping. That look, packet forwarded, that it does not reach to the destination because due to the ACL condition. Similarly, if we ping from VLAN 40 to the VLAN 30 for the respective cell server only, then the ping would be successful according to the given condition that the from any customer services users should able to ping to the sales server. What happened? I think something wrong. Packet would not be reached to the destination. Once more I have to try. Now the packet is moved toward the destination. Now it backward the packet. Now you see that the ping is successfully. Also the next condition is that from the sales department user can't be access to ping the customer server. Look, you have seen that the packet is forwarding, that the ping isn't successful. Here's also displaying that message that the fail condition. Now I have to apply that the IT and network specialist can easily ping to the both ERP and the CRM server. Now I have mentioned the static addresses for the respective server. Look, for the ERP server, its IP address 172.16.1.244. Now I have to ping from IT and network specialist to the it should be success. I think it won't work. Once more I have to try. Look, you see that the packet is successfully forwarding from from billion 90 to the billion 100, from pinging that managing director able to success to the CRM server. Similarly, ACL condition is applied on the respective billion according to the given condition, and it also meet the criteria. Now I have to move on top of the layer. In the division layer, I have assigned on the both multi-layer switch SSRP protocol to make the for the backupping the router, that if the one multi-layer switch is going to down, then the automatically next multi-layer switch work. And also I have mentioning the spanning tree protocol on the both distribution layer, and at the top of the code layer I have configured the static routing, and I have assigned the respective IP addresses to their respective interfaces of the router, and at the top of the code layer there is the ISP, and I have also mentioned the IP addresses, and also I have the mention the NAT and PAT also configuration. Now I have to stop my video. Thanks for